In this video, I will be telling you guys how to add contact in the HubSpot. For that, the process is very simple. Just go to the CRM and go to the contact option right over here. I will be attaching the link to the HubSpot in the description below. Make sure you check it out as well. Here are all the contacts that I have already added in. Just what I have to do is to go and click on the create option on the top right corner. Here I have to fill up all the information related to the contact. That could be the email address, first name, last name, and all the necessary information along with that. So after doing that, the contact will be successfully be added in my list. I will also be providing the data regarding the owner of that contact, because I have multiple users in my CRM too. So if I have to allot it to a singular person, I have to mention it out to it. So this is how you guys can do it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.